Okay. So this is the axe head that I'm going to try to put on this piece. And my cousin in New York did a wonderful job just cleaning this up. This came pretty rough. I mean, it shipped out of Ukraine, and it was more of a hammer than an axe. And he went to town just polishing it up, getting all the blue paint off of it, and we've worked on reprofiling the edge. A little bit more work needs to be done yet, but it's going to be a glorious axe when it's done. But we've had a tough time getting a handle on it. I've tried once before, it didn't work out too well. He tried using some reclaimed oak from a construction project in New York. I'm going to go ahead and save what's left of it. I'll find something to do with it. But anyhow, here's what I meant about the eye. It's got kind of a teardrop shape, flattened out there at the back, as opposed to a elliptical sort of a shape that you're used to seeing on American axes. So far so good, and I'll see how far I can get. And I probably won't talk too much in the second part here because I'm fully aware that I sound like a complete dork when I'm in front of the camera, probably at all other times. I just don't notice it unless I'm watching something I've recorded. But back onto it. This isn't really a how-to video necessarily, because I'm sure that as many of you are watching this, you've probably come up with lots of other ideas and better ways to do this. This is just what I'm doing. One thing I'll say about the Khukuri here is that all that weight really works for you. I mean, it's heavy. This thing is, I don't know, I'll have to weigh it again, but it's close to 3 pounds. I'll find out. It's a whopping big, heavy piece of steel. But the leverage on it, the balance, and that weight really works for you. I mean, any kind of handmade project like this is going to be a workout no matter what you use. But you don't have to force it. You just get it going, and it really does the job. think I'm going to go ahead and stop it here for a while and work on it, and come back when I've got it a little bit closer to dimensions. There's a lot of material to take off, and it's going to take a while. So I'm going to go ahead and get this a little bit closer, and then I'll continue the next video when there's something a little bit more interesting to see than me just chipping away at this.